Hi, welcome to my museum kit. I'm Kim, and I'm an art instructor at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art. For this My Museum kit, we will be learning about how art can help us be kind to ourselves, to others, and our planet. We will look at artwork that will help us understand and care about others' feelings. And we'll even make our own creations to help spread kindness. For today's inspiration, we will look at an artist named Isamu Noguchi and his artwork in the Crystal Bridges Permanent Art Collection.
The name of this piece is Gregory, Effigy. This artwork is an example of abstract art. Abstract art is modern art focused on colors, lines, and shapes. It doesn't represent objects or living things of our everyday world. Instead, abstract art expresses emotions and ideas. When you look at the sculpture, what do you think of? Isamu Noguchi created this sculpture, Gregory, Effigy, in response to the internment of Japanese Americans in the United States during World War II. In 1941, the Japanese military attacked Pearl Harbor in Hawaii and declared war on the United States. Many Americans were angry, and some blamed all Japanese people for what had happened at Pearl Harbor. Shortly after, 110,000 Japanese Americans were forced to leave their homes and live in internment camps, which were similar to prisons. Noguchi lived in one of these internment camps. He reflected his difficult experiences and emotions through his art. Think of this time period you are living in right now. What challenges have you faced? What kind of emotions have you felt? Today, I'll be showing you how to create an abstract sculpture inspired by your emotions.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
For this project, you will need materials from the kit, chipboard pads, acrylic paint tubes. Please note these paints can stain, so be sure to wear an apron or old clothes when using them. A paint palette, paint brushes, and a pencil. And you'll need a couple materials from home, such as a cup of water and a good pair of scissors. Let's create an abstract sculpture. Using your pencil, draw shapes onto the brown side of a chipboard pad. Certain lines and shapes can express different emotions. For me, zigzag lines represent frustration and anger. Wavy lines show my changes between feeling sad and happy. It's healthy to experience a wide range of emotions, especially during this time. Next, cut your shapes out with a good pair of scissors. Grab your red, yellow, and blue paint tubes. You can create orange, green, purple, and brown by mixing different amounts of red, yellow, and blue on your paint palette. Here's a little formula sheet to follow along. For example, if you add a lot of red and a little bit of yellow, you will make a dark orange. If you add lots of yellow and a little bit of red, you will make a light orange. Play around and see how many different colors you can make on your paint palette. Use a cup of water to clean your paintbrushes between mixing colors. After mixing your colors on your paint palette, paint the white front sides of all your shapes with the paintbrush. Then set your shapes aside to dry. Continue using your cup of water to wash your brush before changing paint colors. After the front sides of your shapes have dried, flip them over and paint the brown back sides of those shapes. Mix more paint on your palette if you need to. Set your shapes aside to dry again after painting. After your painted shapes have dried, cut small slits into your shapes with a pair of scissors. Arrange your shapes by sliding them together through their slits. Play around and see how you like your shapes to fit. Set your sculpture on a flat surface to stand. Rotate your sculpture to see different sides. What colors and lines do you see when you turn your sculpture to each side?
And there you have it. Rearrange your shapes based on how you're feeling in the moment. Continue thinking about how you feel each day and what causes you to feel those emotions. You can create more abstract sculptures based on your emotions using the leftover materials in your My Museum kit. Well, thanks for joining me, y'all. See you next time.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your abstract sculpture and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!